Well, hello! And in goes the feet. All of the feet. The spinach salad is called COOKBOOK NAMUL. Pardon if I just didn't say that right in Korean. Well, hello! Welcome back. So, another request for banana chocolate chip muffins. They're gluten-free, and even the chocolate chips are gluten and dairy-free. So, win-win. Of course, it's not sugar-free. I purposely didn't do that because I think the brown sugar, not the brown sugar, the coconut sugar really just makes it just subtle sweetness in there. So not too sharp of sweet like the granular white sugar does. So here you are. Woo. I'm going to put in 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. I use low sodium here. 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. I forgot about the sweetness, so I put 1 tablespoon of agave syrup here. You can use, coconut sugar or just regular granulate sugar. And about 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame seeds. some Korean chili flakes? Maybe I'll hold off of that and just put in some black pepper, and because my daughter's gonna have some, and just mix it all up. Oh, this smells so good. The sesame oil infused with everything in there. Yum. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more of agave syrup here. Just a little more sweetness won't hurt. So it's time to mix with the spinach, and I think I'm gonna mix in a little bit first and see how it tastes. Oh, I have shredded nori, so I'm gonna add some in there. Wait. And furuke? Oh my, I'm like going all in. Oh boy, yummy! You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and add all of this in here. Probably more taste. So I have cubed salmon here, and it's only for one serving, and I'll be sauteing this up just to kind of slightly cook it, and that's all. On a high flame in a skillet, I'm going to add coconut oil and quickly saute it. The green caviar is wasabi flavored, so good. So you don't only need a little bit or a lot, it's up to you. And now you can sprinkle more sesame seeds on, and there you have it. And there we have it. Look at my poke bowl. I am ready to dig in. Where's my spoon? First, I'll get the spinach. Spinach salad is called SIGUMCHI NAMUL, and pardon if I just didn't say that right in Korean. So, cheers. Here's what I have: split pork feet, and these are the chicken paws that I got from Walmart. These are all I got from Walmart, and they're 2 packs are just a little over 2 pounds, so altogether it's 4 pounds. This will go into the stock pot, and it will make a beautiful and delicious stock. So I'm ready, and in goes all of the feet. I add 12 cups of water and cover the feet, and then I'm gonna add like a handful of whole peppercorns. They're black. I forgot to saute or lightly saute that when I was sauteing the ginger and the onions and everything else. There it goes. And I'm gonna add also 2 chicken bouillon cubes. The lighting is really bad, but I added more chili oil. Oh my, this is so good. But all these celery greens are your best friends, guys. Let's eat. Madam, come and eat. Sorry for the glare back behind me.